Hi, you're watching The Savera. This is Amarpal Singh before you. Today, Rajya Sabha MP Sanjeev Arora turned up over here at Halwara Airport to inspect the working. And some industrialists have also come up here at Halwara Airport to see the airport, the works over here. So we will try to talk to some of the industrialists. So starting with Kamal Oswalji. Sir, Halwara Airport is almost ready. How you see this development?
No, it was a very good experience. Today we have seen the coming up of the airport, and now I am sure that within 1 or 2 years, 2 months maximum, within 2 months, the airport will start functioning. And with the functioning of this airport, the whole infrastructure, it would boost to the industry of Ludhiana, and apart from the industry, other people would also have benefits.
So, like you said that it will give a boost to the industry. How it will give the boost to the industry? How it is beneficial for the industry?
You see, there are two ways it will give boost. One is for the people to buyers, customers to come and visit our factories to meet us, and regarding us, we can also go. Our people can also go, and apart from this, this can also be a, you can say, cargo terminal can also be. I have heard that it would be also cargo terminal would be also there. So there would be export of you can say garments, export of other products also, which are lightweights from Punjab, from Ludhiana, from Halwara. Apart from this, some fresh fruits, vegetables, flowers. There is also very good demand. There is a very good exporter who is exporting a lot of flowers from Malerkotla. So he can. So this would be very easy for him to export. So overall, there would be a huge benefit for the people, industry, and overall benefit to the Ludhiana particularly.
Sir, for how long you were waiting for airport in Ludhiana?
You see, earlier Ludhiana had a, means 30 years back, it has a very small airport, very small connectivity was there. But now, for the last 20 years, there was no airport. So we had to go to either Chandigarh or Amritsar or Delhi, to wherever we have to go. But now, means Ludhiana being a, you can say, largest city in terms of industrial development, so it was surprising that it did not have any airport. But now, after 20 years, the dream has been fulfilled. Thank you.
Gaganji, how you see this development, this Halwara airport in Ludhiana?
I think this is a game changer. You see, it is not just only the flights which will take off, it will be a source of employment. It will be so much confidence building for the international business community that we are going to a place which is connected by flights. Earlier, they were not able to reach us. They would always say, "You come and meet us in Delhi," and then they used to go back. They never visited our sites, they never visited our factories. So, when they come here, they will gain more confidence seeing our factories and everything. And I think the business will grow many folds from here.
Rajesh ji, today Halwara airport is almost ready. You are an exporter, so how it is going to give boost to the industry?
There is a saying among the travelers, you can travel from anywhere in the world to Delhi, it's not very difficult. Once you reach Delhi to Ludhiana, it's the toughest job. So that thing has been now easy, it is easy now. Networking will increase, connectivity will increase, business will increase, a lot of goods can be airlifted from here gradually within the coming few years. Overall, it is going to be a game changer for the this belt of Punjab.
Sir, earlier Sanewal airport was also started, but it couldn't remain that successful. Do you expect that this Halwara airport will solve the purpose?
This is a proper airport has been built. Before it was just makes what do you call that makeshift of it was just a namesake airport. Now it's a proper airport, I can say.
So it is going to be a benefit for Punjab, Ludhiana, and as well as the industry sector. If we
Maybe
say.
after a few years, we see something like Chandigarh, whatever has happened in Mohali, Chandigarh, same may happen here also.
Thank you so much. Thank you so much. So there were some industrialists from Ludhiana who have come up here at Halwara Airport to see the development, and they have appreciated the efforts of Rajya Sabha MP Sanjeev Arora. So you are watching The Savera. Stay tuned to us. Follow us both on Facebook and YouTube, and also download our mobile application. Amarpal Singh with cameraman Manoj Sidhu.